Hello all. Let's see what are the types of food articles mainly in Ayurveda. They are called the word Dravya. The word Dravya also has implications in Padartha Vijnana, one of the basics of Ayurveda. Padartha Vijnana is also related to Ayurvedic philosophy. So, Dravya means it can be food substance or medicinal substance also. So here the Dravya are of three types: Shamanam, Kopanam, Swastahidam, Dravyamiti, Tritha. This is the opinion of Acharya Vagbhata. First one is Shamana, the article that brings down the increased dosha to normalcy. That is, that Dravya can simply balance the imbalanced dosha states. Second one is Kopana, the food article or the medicinal substance that increases the lower dosha to normalcy. Means it increases the quantity and quality of the dosha. It increases the content of dosha in the body. So it helps to restore the condition. Then the third one is Swastahida, the food or medicine that maintains the normalcy of the dosha and health. So that is Hita, that is helpful for the Swastha, that means the healthy person. So the normal food taken by a normal person with equilibrium of doshas, dhatus and malas is obviously Swastahita. Then Acharya also says about the types of potency or virya. So we can say that first Acharya says about the rasa. Then he is saying about virya. So these are related to the Rasa Guna Virya Vibhaga Prabhava, a broad concept in Ayurveda. For example, if we take a drug, Nimba in Ayurveda, it is having bitter taste. So the rasa will be tikta. Then what is the potency of that in the body? It acts as hot or it acts as cold in the body. That is termed to be the virya of that drug. So more things like vipaka, prabhava, guna, all those things also come in the way here in this chapter. So the next point is types of potency or virya. As per Acharya Vagbhata, Ushna Shida Gunotkarsha Tatra Viryam Dvidha Smrutam. Two types. First one is Ushna Virya, means food items having hot nature. Ushna Virya can also be a nature of medicine. So the Dravya, the word, is broadly having two types of meanings. It can be a food article or it can be a medicinal Dravya. Then Shita Virya. Shita Virya means having cold potency. Some food items or medicines are cold in nature, for example milk. These are the two types of potencies. Generally, substances that have astringent, bitter and sweet taste are coolant in nature, and sour, salt and pungent taste are hot in nature. So we can say the Nimba, the neem, which is bitter in taste, is having the cool property, that is Shita Virya. Then, three types of vipaka are also taught by Acharya in the next sloka. What are the three types of vipaka? What is the meaning of vipaka? Vipaka refers to conversion of taste after initial phase of digestion. So it is the post-digestive product. Tritha vipako dravyasya swadamla kadukatmakaha. First one is Madhura vipaka, sweet. Generally, sweet and salt taste undergo this vipaka. Then Amla vipaka, sour. Sour taste undergoes this vipaka. Then Katu Vibhaga, rest of the taste which are astringent and pungent taste undergo this Vibhaga. So that is the classification of Vibhaga. For example, some food substances become harmful to us when they are digested. Some of the examples are the capsicum. It is not having any katu rasa, hot taste or something like that. But when it undergoes digestion, it becomes harmful to us. It increases secretions in the body. It is having a quality called Vishyandi. So that is also related to the Vibhaga. Then one of the important gunas are told. Means gunas are one of the important topics in Ayurveda because it has clinical significance also. In treatment, we are seeing gunas and we are deciding how to increase or decrease gunas as per some physicians. So some people, many people have many opinion about treatment. Some people look after the gunas. For example, if one is having dry skin, so there is Yuksha guna increased. So to decrease that, we are giving Snigdha guna, that is oil for that. So there we have looked on guna rather than Prakriti first. So many points of view of people, physicians are there. Guna is a very main concept in Ayurveda. Let's see more about that. So there are 20 types of qualities: Guru Manda, Himasnigdha, Slakshna, Sandra, Mrudustiraha, Gunaha, Sasukshma, Vishadaha, Vimshati, Saviparyaha. First one is Guru Guna, which is heavy, and its opposite is Lakhu, light in weight. Manda means low, and its opposite is Tikshna, means quick or fast. Then Hima, that is cold. Its opposite is Ushna, obviously hot. Then Snigdha, having anxious guna. Ruksha, having dry quality, is its opposite. Then Slakshna, having smooth quality, is having opposite of rough quality, that is Khara. Then Sandra, having solid quality, is the opposite of Drava, that is liquid. Then Mrudu, having soft quality, is the opposite of Kathina or hard quality. Then Stira, stable, is opposite to Chala, moving or unstable. Then Sukshma, that is stable or small, and is opposite to Stula, big or gross. Then Vishada means non-slimy, is opposite of Pichila, which is slimy. So these are the Vimshati gunas, 20 gunas as per Acharya Vagbhada. So this can be correlated to many things. Very much practically important topic also this is.